Okay, so let's check out swin'wana ka Facebook. So I post a picture lewa. I just posted this picture. I see I have 103 reactions, right? Just wanna see who loved, who said oh, and who said love, and who said ha ha ha. Let's go. Where do we go? We check. 12 comments is good after 2 hours. Okay, not bad. But let's go. I wanna see how many people loved it. Let's check people who loved. Okay, I loved it myself. 19 people loved my picture. That's good. And then 6 people laughed. They just laughed. They laughed. Loved and laughed. 2 things. These people are not these ones. Who said whoa? Yo, very mashenga. Shuluva. That's how you guys are not. And let's go to people who liked. Lava, they even have a low lava. You can't just like a picture. You must love it. Or say whoa. Or say ha ha ha. I mean, come on, guys. In English one. Why you guys? No. Stop this jealous thing. But pay, you even liked it now. Come on, guys. You guys need to learn how to react to pictures. This thing must stop.